Hello everyone, and let's break the things down about our homework of module 1 lesson, module 2 lesson 1, I'm sorry. So what do we have to do? We will make our blog, which we have been developing for the last 2 homework assignments, even cooler. So what should we apply? Class selectors, hot news with light red or other bright background color. Alteration, I mean that we have one dark article with dark background, and then article with light background and a gray, and again dark background, and then again light background. So alteration. And any other ideas. Well, and the main thing, we should use separate CSS style. So okay, let's go. And the first thing that I create is our not a new folder, just Notepad document with the name index.html. Yeah, and a separate file with our styles. Style CSS. Yes. Well, okay, let's open it. Okay, it is empty. Let's open it with our Notepad and these two. You can, of course, you can fulfill this on the platform. It's more comfortable than in Notepad. Yeah. Well, but let's start. First, declaration. Top level text. Yes. HTML. HTML. Then head and body. Yes, at once. Body and body. So here inside of tag head we use tag meta, attribute char set UTF-8 and tag title, right? I would like to create title. For example, I would like to create a website about cats. Well, then, inside of tag body, we can create our header, footer, main, and other things. But one more thing, inside of tag head, we should plug in our CSS file. So just to say index.html, just take styles from these separate files, style CSS. Yeah. So it's tag link with attribute rel style sheet and hot reference to the file style CSS. Yes. And so here is our well, header, yeah. Inside of tag header we use h1 cats. Yes, h1. Now let's check it. Yes, we have our cats. Heading, and let's see what do we have here. Does it work correctly or it doesn't? Color red. Yeah. Okay. Yeah, it works. See, it uses styles. Okay, then. Well, what do I want to create here? It's tag main, of course. It's the main part of our website. Then it's footer, yes, for copyright and contacts. Footer. So, for example, or you know, if the task is about creating blog with news, yes, so let's create our website about news. For example, kids news. Yeah, well, here we can create our tag navigation, yes, with links. It's tag nav. Now we can create it. Nav, like this, yes, with links as A, and the hot reference here, just with plug. It leads nowhere. For example, hot news, or some kind of daily news, or any other news. For example, yeah. Well, let's check. Yeah, we have two links here. And inside of tag main, we can create, for example, 2 or 3 articles, 2 or 3 news, yes. For example, about cats, yes. So, one article. Inside article must contain any heading inside of it. So H2. Or, for example, we can create here maybe hot news or something. Well, okay, let's just create this article with I don't even know, hot news about cats. Yeah, so also we can create here, for example, yes, hot news about cats, and here we use H3. Yes, this is our section, this is section title, and this is subsection title. Yes, hot news, and this hot news about new cats, new wild cats. Let it be like this. So here I can put some image. For example, wild cats. Oh, no. Yes, we can use some kind of not wild cat, not those wild cats that I'm looking for. Yeah. And these are wild cats that I'm trying to put inside of my web page. For example, Krakow, yeah? That's pretty picture. Copy link address. See? So here. Let's see if it works. No, it doesn't work. Why it doesn't work? Because I think that copy image address, yeah. I have chosen wrong. Yes, now it should work. Now it should work. No, it doesn't. Why? src, and if I take it and put it right here, what should I get? Yeah, it should work. src img. So why? Yeah, now it works. Okay. Well, then, and some text. And let me guess, I think that there are a website about cat news. Let's check this out. Yeah, cat news, catsg.org. Yeah, we have some here. Americans, Eurasia, Africa. Yes, we have some sites. You can take some text from here, or I can just take, what should I have here? Caracal, yes. Wikipedia I use. So kind of, for example, this text. Yeah. So let's put it here. Where is the end of our paragraph? Oh, letter T. I forgot it. Yeah, here it is. This. Yeah, we have some enters here. And what do I get here? Yeah, so let's create another article. I can change a picture here. For example, new wild cats, or I can name it in another way. Yeah, take another picture. Images, tools, size, medium. Oh, this smiling cat. Yes, copy image address, and let's put it right here. What do I get? Yeah, look. Hot new. Caracals can smile. Did you know? Yeah. Right. Well, and for example, here I can use the third article, or for example here the third article. Some kind of toy, yes. Like this, yes. Well, copy image address, paste inside of our src attribute, and new caracal kitten in our zoo, maybe, yeah, for example. So you can change text here, yeah. Well, and look, so here we can change our links, yeah. For example, to Wikipedia, yeah, like this we can create it. And cat news, yes, there are a certain site about it. Example, Caracal, San Diego Zoo.org. Well, for example, this link. Pretty kitty, yes. For example, we can paste this text here. Just make some enters to read it more comfortable. Well, so here is our HTML code. Yes. Well, pretty nice, I suppose. So here I create a paragraph named, oh, for example, H2 about copyright. Is it correct? I suppose it is. Yeah. Copyright sign I want. Copyright symbol. Like this. Yeah. Well, inside of tag site, as you remember, we can locate our source. Yes, Wikipedia. This is the source. Or just Wikipedia.org. And this site, yes, animals.org, some kind of. Well, okay, now let's make it unique. What do we have here? Nice, looking sharp. Well, let's make some classes for our articles or something new. For example, this is a hot new, or just to make alteration, and if we want to make our articles more comfortable to read, we can create class here, for example, dark, and the same here. And this article we leave without class. So here in our dark we can point dark, and here we can assign background color. For example, color picker, show me something, color picker, and I want some kind of gray, light, very, very light gray. Okay, let's use this hexadecimal code and semicolon. Yeah, now we have this alteration. Now, then let's import some beautiful fonts from Google Fonts. Yeah. Well, browse fonts. I don't even know what fonts should I use. It's a lot of them here. So we use comfortable to read font for our text, like this. I mean regular, and for example bold. Use two of them. Import. I just copied this and put it inside of our text style just at the beginning, and this font family. I use it for our whole text, so I use our tag body here. Font family. Well, let's check this out. Does it work? Yes, it works. And I want another font family for our headings. I don't even know what should I take. Maybe dancing script? Why not? Regular and bold, the same. We can simultaneously import several fonts. So we have dancing script and Roboto, and I must take this import and change our previous import to new. And for our headings, for example, I type here H1, H2. If I want to change properties of several tags or selectors, I write them through comma. And for headings, I use this font family. Let's check this out. Yeah, hot news gets new. And I use also H3. Yes, here H3. So I should add here H3. Yeah. Well, then I want to make them bigger. For example, here, color red. Okay, let's get news with color red. And H2, for example, with color, I don't know even what. Okay, let's leave it black. You can change it, of course. Our H3, we can change it the same way, change it color. Also, we can change background color of our whole site, website. For example, let's change. Let us change background of our header. Yeah, header. I don't even know what should I use. For example, well, let's take some yellow color. How it looks like, I can't even imagine. Some kind of this. Maybe why not? Or just bright color. Well, okay, why not? And let's make some color for our footer. Yeah, usually we use gray, light gray for footer. I use selector by tag. Yeah. Yes. Now it's looks like this. Well, what else should we do? We can change color of our paragraphs. Yes. For example, here we have black text, and here we can change paragraph of text of to, I don't even know, maybe a dark blue. Maybe like this. For example, these dark, I can change color here. Yeah. And what do we get? Yeah, we have changed it. Well, what have we done? Class selectors, yes, we use class selectors here, dark, yes, to make several types of articles. Yes, we have dark article and light article here. Hot news, well, I didn't make hot news, but you can create it, some article with class hot, and make it, for example, with a bright red text color. It's your choice. Alteration, yes, I have alteration. Dark, white, again dark. Any other ideas? Okay, and move styles to a separate file. Yes, we have separate file for styles. Okay, guys, I hope I have made it clear about our homework, about using separate file for styles, about tag link for it, just to make it work, yeah, about alteration, and about our HTML and CSS in general. So, thank you for attention. Bye.